Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell products for free on GoDaddy Website Builder. Before configuring and publishing our website, I'd like to explain how you can sell products or services for free on your GoDaddy website. The only way to get access to GoDaddy's premium e-commerce features is by upgrading to a paid plan. But there are ways to sell products and services completely for free. The first option is by adding a section to your website. To do that, again, click on Add Section. Now, on the right-hand side, click on the search bar at the top and type in PayPal. Here, you can choose to add a section that allows you to sell a product or service using PayPal. To add this section to your website, click on the Add button. That section will now be added into your website. For example, I can choose to sell a photo print on my website. I'll change the item name on the right-hand side to say 5x7 photo print. I can change the price from $20 up to $40. I'll be including free shipping on my item, so I'll choose. I can choose to change the description of my product. And I can change the product image by clicking on Product Image at the bottom. Once you're done configuring your image, go back to the right-hand side and click on Done. We can now sell a product or service directly from our website completely for free. There is another alternative method to sell a product or service on a free GoDaddy website. You can do that by altering your Call to Action button. To begin configuring this, click on your Call to Action button, then click into the button that you'd like to customize. Here, you can choose the action of your Call to Action button. Currently, it just links to the top of our homepage, but you'll notice this option at the bottom called Take Payments. If you click into this, you can create a pay link. Let's click on this here. You can configure a pay link that allows you to sell a customized product or service. Pay links are a great option for accommodating different types of purchases. For now, I'll choose to close out of this window by clicking on the X at the top right. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.